In this quick video, I want to show you how you can use the new marketing assets to promote the webinar for the Dr. Jamie event coming on this upcoming Wednesday, January the 23rd at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. So all you do is come on over here, for example, and maybe I'll pick this one. And I'm going to click on that. So then I'm going to right click this, save this image. And I'm just going to save this here. I'll go to my pictures. I'll just go ahead and rename this. So I will just say Dr. Jamie 01. I'll go ahead and save that. That's now in my hard drive. So now what I'm going to want to do is go and get my my link. So let's just scoot that out of the way. And now I'm in my dashboard. Now there's actually two ways that we're allowing people to register for the event. There is the main page that I could click on, and that's what's called the generic page. So anybody can register, whether they're just a customer or not a customer, just a prospect, or somebody who doesn't even use Freedom Project, not a paid account. So this is free for everyone to join. Whereas this page here is one that I have because I have the VA service. So if you have a VA, you will get this little widget here, and then you'll be able to have your own page, which will allow you to be able to promote the event. And when someone signs up for it, they will be able to, you'll see it here in your event manager. Okay, so if one of your prospects or your customers sign up via this page, so let's go to that. I'm going to copy on that here, and that's going to give me this link. So I'll just paste that page. Okay, so you can see this is my registration page. So if my one of my customers or prospects comes and registers here, that information is going to go not only into my email marketing system, but also into my event manager, which would be the same for you. I'll just close my Facebook widget here. Now here's the key with this. I'm just going to go back up here. I'm going to copy the link. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scoot over here. I'll go to my own, let's just say, for example, on my profile. So I'll just open up my profile here, and I'm going to want to let my friends know about this event and see what they think. So I'm just going to paste this here like that. Now you'll notice how nothing happened. So sometimes the very first time you do these kind of things, that's what'll happen. So I'm actually just going to do a page reload here, and I'll give it another shot. Paste that in, and this time the image, there we go. Now the image shows. Actually, I'm going to have them fix this image because it should be Dr. Jamie showing here, but this is what I have for now, so that's what I'm going to go with. I don't even need this anymore. So now I'm going to say let me just think what I'm going to say here. Okay, so I put together a little something here that's a little bit personal sounding, and I'm going to go ahead and share that. Now, I will share that later, because if I share that now, it's going to be it's like midnight in the East, might be a little bit late. I would rather maybe have more of my friends actually online, but I don't know, maybe it would work. Let's give it a shot. So news feed, yeah, don't need to put it in my story. Let's see, I do need a call to action. Now, I just realized that this is the page post sharing image. So actually I don't really want that. I want the one that I've just saved. So I'm going to go here to photo video, and I'm going to go find that. So I'm going to go pictures, and I'm going to find Dr. Jamie here. Double click on that. There we go. And that'll get rid of that page post image. We'll load that. Okay, so you can see that's loaded there, and it might almost be, preferable really for me to use the other one with just her, not the Shaklee 180 stuff. Let me just go find. There we go. I'm going to find this one, and I'm going to choose this one instead. So same thing, save image as. And I'm going to go Dr. Jamie, and I'll just change this to 02. There we go. Save that. And I'm going to go back to here again. I'll just get rid of that one, and I will pick a different one. Photo video. I'd rather focus not so much on the Shaklee 180 factor, but just on the doctor factor. Now, as you can see, the link, I need to post the link, because there we go. There we are. Register free here. So one thing on your personal profile is do everything you can to make it sound personal, really just cozy, not slicky, not promotional with fancy language. Make it sound simplistic. And I'm going to check my Grammarly, and everything looks good here. So I think we're ready to rock and roll. Now, of course, we could also go the route of not actually posting a link at all and just asking them to just PM you if they're interested. But in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and do it that way. So, okay, I'm just going to look at my options, and I'm all good to go, so I don't need any of that. I'm going to go ahead and share that. And let's take a look and see how it turns out. So again, in a personal post, even I don't even mind if I keep it even less fancy than this and, screenshot something or whatnot. So, but that's how you guys can do that. Quite easy. So hopefully that helps. Thanks so much and good luck. And we'll see you on Wednesday, the 23rd at 8:30 Eastern.